How to fix Rheem gas control or valve failure 7 flashes. Step 1. Confirm the 7 flashes. Watch the status light and count the flashes. If you get 7 red flashes, then it pauses, and then another 7 red flashes. This indicates the gas control valve failure on the applicable Rheem models. Step 2. Turn the gas control to off. Do not attempt to manually ignite the burner or bypass the safety controls. Rheem's operating instructions specifically warn against manually igniting the burner. Step 3. Wait. Allow the heater to remain off for several minutes. If you smell gas, don't continue troubleshooting. Leave the area and follow the gas safety instructions for your appliance. Step 4. Check the pilot. If your model has a standing pilot, follow the lighting instructions printed on the water heater to relight it. Step 5. Check the thermopile connection. On applicable models, Rheem's troubleshooting information recommends checking that the thermopile connector is properly connected, inspecting its wires for damage, and inspecting the pilot assembly when dealing with status light problems. And then replace or service the gas control. If the 7 flash code persists, the combination gas control and thermostat may have failed. Rheem's documentation lists replacement of the control as the service solution for this fault and directs users to use qualified service for the failure. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.